Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. You join me for an In the Post, and this is In the Post number 61. Firstly, we start off big. About a couple of weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago, I was on eBay and somebody told me, I think it was Macca Morland, told me that this book had just come out. I'd reviewed a book, and it was a 50p guide, and he told me about this 8th edition of this particular book, Andrew's Coins, had been released. I hadn't seen it on eBay or anything, but to be honest I wasn't really looking for it, but it is, and it is a superb book. I will be doing a review of this book, but it's one of those books that if you're a 50p collector, whether you're both UK and territories, it's the ideal book because it goes through everything. It has right up until the end of 2023. I think it's 2023 is the last coin. I think it does the Olympics as a separate set of coins. It does all the strike your owns as well, so you can see how much the strike your owns are worth, and it actually goes up to the Olympics, the Atlantic Salmon for 2023 and 2024. Sorry, for 2023 plus the released version of the salmon, and it does the coloured and the bunk Cooper nickel of the Star Wars coin 4. So it's virtually up to date as it is at the moment. So there's a section on strike your owns, there's a section on Isle of Man, and quite a lot on the Isle of Man. And you've got Indian Ocean territories, you've got British Atlantic, BAT, Gibraltar, a whole load of Gibraltar, and then you've got St Helier, you've got the Falkland Islands, you've got Ascension Islands. There's a huge amount of information on this book, or in this book, about everything to do with 50p's, so if you are a 50p collector, it's a good one to have. Right, next we have a first aid cover, and I'll do them separately with something else in between just to break it up for you. First one is a Harry Potter one from 2023. First aid cover, you have all the usual characters. Harry Potter, you have Hermione. Do you have Hermione? I think you do actually, do you? Yeah, you have Hermione. You have Ron as well, and you have Draco, and then you have Alan Snape, is it? Professor Snape, and also Voldemort, and a couple of other characters from the Harry Potter. I'm not sure which film this one celebrates. So that's the Harry Potter one. That was in 2023, or was released in 2023. So I've got a couple of things to show you before I show you the latest first aid cover. And these are 10 yen coins. This one here is the Year of the Tiger, and these two here are the Year of the Rabbit. I will be doing, as I've with all of these, a separate video for you. And then we have the latest first aid cover, and it's representing 30 years of the Spice Girls and girl power and all the rest of it. It came, or it shows, different things through the years and through different company things. As with all first aid covers as they come out, they tend to produce the minimum of each of the stamps in postcards, in postcard format. So you have this one here which shows the 5 individual stamps with what area that they're showing on the stamp. You've then got the Spice Girls, Brit Awards. You got Spice Girls again at the Brit Awards. You got the 22 Olympic ceremony, which they did, the closing ceremony. Jerry in her Union flag dress. A video at a concert in San Jose, Wembley, Istanbul, New York, Brit Awards 97, and then you've got the 4 individual first class stamps: Posh, Scary, Baby, Ginger and Sporty. So there's a set of postcards that go with the first aid cover. You buy them separately, so if you don't want to buy the first aid cover but you want to keep the postcards, you're more than what you. It's an easy enough thing to do. So there you go. The Spice Girls first aid cover and also the postcards. Now the postcards are covering up my address that's on there, so you have to excuse that. Well, that finishes off this particular in the post. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, could you please give me the thumbs up? It doesn't cost you anything and it helps the videos no end. If you have enjoyed this, as well as give me a thumbs up, if you haven't yet subscribed, could you please do so, if you believe I deserve it. I am looking to increase my number of subscribers this year. I aimed for 250 by Christmas last year and met that target and surpassed it by a few. I'm looking to go from 250 to 425, which is about 150 odds, 175 subscribers this year. I'd like to get a minimum of 425, but I would ideally like to get to 500. But I will need your help to do that. And if you're able to help me and you believe I deserved it, then I will thank you and welcome you gladly to every single video that I do in the future. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, then I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, until we meet up again in another video, from me, thank you for staying to the end and bye bye. Ta-ra now.